It is me, it is she, Nathina Antoinette. Welcome to my YouTube space. Before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button. How do we feel about the lace being behind the hairline? I don't think I've ever actually tried this method until I got this hair, but I think I like this a little bit more than having the lace glued to my forehead. Let's talk about how I achieved this look, and I'm going to share what I should have done different or what I think would make it blend a bit more seamlessly. I cut up a $14 Amazon frontal for a little strip to make the closure for this wig. I think part of the problem that I'm having with blending it is that the closure is not made from the front thinner portion of the wig. It's made from the back part of the frontal where the knots are a bit thicker than they are in the front. And with me having thinner hair, I do think that if I would have went for the thinner parts of the frontal, it would have matched my hair density better. I do believe the game changer in me achieving this look was the perfect lines, Swiss lines. I can't remember the name of it. It's like a lace grid concealer. It actually fills in the holes of the lace, whereas your regular makeup concealer, it just changes the color, but you can still see the holes. Baby, it was giving scalp. Okay, it was giving scalp. So I think that made it look really good. So if I decide to do this over, I would definitely update the closure on it and continue to use that product. Comment down below and tell me what you girls are into. Are you just wearing your lace wigs regular? Are you doing U-parts? Are you just doing traditional sew-ins? I had a traditional sew-in, then I went to a U-part, and then I got tired of dealing with the leave out. But I need to have my hair out to take better care of it. So I'm really thinking about trying the K-tips with micro beads. I think that's a great way to transition my hair into becoming a straight natural. I've decided I really want to heat train my hair, so I'm just waiting for the weather to get a bit cooler because that's a lot of work just to sweat it out in 3 days. But for now, I think I'll be wearing my hair like this. Leave a comment and tell me what you think.